Here, in this example, Stark Industries is us, the supplier, and our customer is Langworth Keen. And what we've done with these merge fields, it automatically merges all the invoices that they owe you in one table. So you're not going to have to, have 5 emails going over the 5 different invoices, chasing them. It's not what a real person does. So we really try and consolidate things to give you an impression that's coming from a real person. And this email gets sent. You can imagine it's like 8, 9 o'clock at night. You put your kids to bed. I'm the end customer, Langworth Keen, and I got this email from you in my Gmail or my Outlook inbox, and I can see a Pay Now button as well. The part of ezyCollect is we enable you with the Pay Now and a Pay by Installment button in all your communication from ezyCollect. It can be on your invoices, on your statements, on your sales orders. We can put that Pay Now button wherever you want, and fundamentally that's our payments product. Our payments product enables you to accept payments 24/7 from all your customers to allow them to pay all your bills. So if I click the Pay Now button, and if you can imagine I'm the end customer now, this is me, I can log in and see a live view of all the invoices that are in your accounting system that I currently owe you. This is pretty cool because now it's a place where I can come as a debtor to actually pay you. I can view the invoice. I can see all the different line items there as well. Every single one of your customers has a way to actually view what they owe you, right? And they can view their statements. They can actually live in this place. This becomes a place where they can query and communicate and chat back with you. Hey, did I, and you can open up a channel of communication between you and your supplier. Or you and your customer. And it's a really important thing because the more you open the communication, the faster you get paid. And here I can actually transact. I can come in here, I can get my own email receipt, I can put in my credit card details, set up any sort of payment rules that you like, such as surcharging automatically or partial surcharging, put in your security codes, all the merchant fees, if you are surcharging, are going to be displayed on here. And when I click Pay Now, it automatically takes the payment and reconciles that back into your accounting system. So it's going to close the invoice, saving you a lot of time around banking and data entry. And again, if your customers don't have the money to pay you, we've given them the tools to settle, like pay over maybe 5 installments. Using the data we have, we're able to assess the risk of this customer pretty much real time, give them an option to pay over, say, 5 or 6 installments. And what's happening right now is we're actually assessing the risk of the customer, and we've approved them to pay over those 5 installments. Here are the dates, and here's the installment amounts that they're actually paying. And what's really interesting about this is that you're giving your clients more options, and we also have a way to do it through bank transfer. So not just credit card, we also have bank transfers too.